Hello everyone, welcome back to Trek A Day, and as you can see we have a Starship Enterprise, a next generation Enterprise D toy from Playmates. Another great 90s playset from Playmates. You can see some advertisements for some other really cool toys from the era with lights and sounds, and a little bit about the Enterprise. And a look at all the different features, and I love that, the attention to detail, because like this is obviously not like a big collector's piece. It's not, Eagle Moss toys, just kind of a kid's toy that would be in a typical toy store in the 90s when I was growing up. This came out in 1992, but there was still that attention to detail, labeling all the different parts of the ship. There's a look at the vessel itself. And we have all the different sound effect buttons up top. With the lights as it goes to warp, and I made impulse as I brought it in, and then we have